Look at that, guys. Look at all these worms. Lots of them have crawled in, but we still got one that's right on the outside, crawling right through. And today, I'm gonna show you guys how to get more earthworms in your garden. Let's go. I'm coming through phone view right now because I don't want to get the camera set up and all that, because it's just a real quick video that can just give you some quick information on how to get more earthworms and worm castings in your garden easily. And if not in your garden, in your pot, whatever, container garden, whatever you have, a really easy way to do that. And I'm gonna show you right now. Pots and everything, it's just it's in the moment. I've been cleaning everything out, which is how I found out about what I'm about to show you. When I set my pots out here, or when you just set any other pot out here for a good amount of time, they create these things, like, I like to call them dead spots, but it's basically where grass just is dead. It's just dead grass. So worms and microorganisms come up here, and what I've been doing is I've just been checking to see for some of them letting them stay because they're in a good growing point, but others are just like, it's not really worth keeping them, and I'm already cleaning things out. So what I've been doing is I've been picking up the pots, I've been taking them up, taking and dumping the soil out over there in my newly made compost pile, and then taking the other earthworms and putting them across the beds, so like plants that need some help can get some castings. So here is my example. I'm just gonna pick a random one. Let's go. All right, so let's do this. So pop the soil out. Since the plant's already like basically dried up, it's not a big deal that I'm just taking it out now, at least to me. And look at that. As soon as I open it up, I didn't even have to dig. Do you see those earthworms right there? They're all come through the bottom of this pot right here. They come up, they feed, and they live basically in this nice moist area and break down all the wood chips and such what are within it. And they help everything out. They're earthworm castings. These are castings. This whole pot now that was just filled with soil is now classified as worm castings, which are incredible. Sorry for not showing. I get some of the worms. There's a lot more in here, but I'm just gonna leave it right there for now. I get these worms, and then I put it in detrimental areas, or areas where I'm making the new bed. For instance, right over here. We're making a new bed right here, and I want to get some earthworms and microorganisms to help break down the wood chips and all the other soil material in. I've already done it, but getting some more is you can never have too many earthworms, put it simply, or compost. And now you see all these earthworms, what they're going to do over time, once they get a nice rhythm, they burrow down into the soil, make holes and little tunnels basically throughout the soil, and then create aeration, and it helps the garden out tremendously. Even if you have potted plants or whatever, it's earthworm castings, free earthworm castings. And I put a lot of other ones in there just a second, just like 5 minutes ago. I'm not sure where they are now. They probably already went deep. They probably went deep already. So I'm just not going to bother them. Let me get this out. I'm just going to leave the other earthworms that are in here. I'm just going to leave them to be. Oh, there goes one right there. Oops, where'd it go? It fell out already. Oh, dang it. Don't go into the grass already. We're just trying to say hello. So, a simple way, what I'm trying to get across is a simple way to get more earthworms in your garden is if you have pots or potted plants that can survive, that are good out here outside, let them outside, let them sit outside. We'll let them get adapted first, of course. But when you do that, and if you have a garden or anything, if you don't have a garden and you just have potted plants, leave them outside. Leave them outside if they're well adapted to the soil, or if they're well adapted to being outside, because they're going to get their natural fertilizers from the earthworms that come up, just like that. So that's going to be my quick video for today, how to get more earthworms in your garden, in your pots, whatever type of garden that you have. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more quick videos like this on quick tips and quick things to do to improve your garden, let me know down below. And I want you guys to have a beautiful day. Much love. Peace. I'm out. So I'm going to be doing a meme of the day for every new video from now on. So meme of the day, meme of the video. So Always stick to the end of every video to see your meme of the day. And that's all. Enjoy this meme. See ya. Also watch the last upload because I did a gardening interview with a pro gardener. So make sure you watch that out. I put a lot of work into it. So do me a favor, like, subscribe. To this video, like and subscribe. All of this video and also with the last video I did in every video before that, because why not? So yeah, get to your meme. Here you go.